here at Royal College Namugongo. Good evening, ma'am. How are you?
I'm okay. Hi.
Let's talk about what I'm holding in my hand.
You're holding a sanitary pad called Piao Piao sanitary pads.
Yes.
Yeah. They come in two different sizes. They are very comfortable sanitary pads, which have even meat inside that detects UTI infection. Let me repeat it. It detects, it doesn't treat UTI infection. It just detects UTI. Yeah, this one is the premium, like the ultra thin. So we ladies have like normal, like like what is this one? Has 10 pieces inside. So and this one is what you have like maximum flow. But what they do now, they use this one. It has 8 pieces inside. Like that.
Quite like.
And like it's like 30 pieces inside.
Alright. How do you recommend us to find any of these Piao Piao products?
This Piao Piao product, it's a product under Simbaland company. Simbaland is the manufacturer of Piao Piao products. So these pads you can find them in supermarkets and shops worldwide. And we have a factory in Seta, and we have a shop in Kampala. Still, we have a showroom on Hamburg.
Timberland. Ladies and gentlemen, you've had it from me. Piao Piao pads, they are the best pads on the market. At the price of 2,799.
That's it for the promotion of the schools. Sorry, the people want promotion. So outside, they will get them at 3,500. The country will be at 10,000.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the fresh thing on market. Get yourself Piao Piao pads and you'll never